Brian M. Inspired, Chocolate. Brian M. Inspired, Peanut Butter Cup Explosion Cake, a towering tribute to chocolate and peanut butter lovers. Peanut Butter Cup Explosion Cake. Yields, 12 to 14 servings. Prep time, 1 hour bake time, 30 minutes assembly time, 30 minutes. Layer breakdown, 1 chocolate cake layers. 2 creamy peanut butter frosting. 3 chocolate frosting. 4 chocolate ganache. 5 chopped peanut butter cups and Reese's candies. Ingredients. Chocolate cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1¾ cups sugar. 3/4 Cuban pesos cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 eggs. 1 cup buttermilk. 1/2 Cuban pesos vegetable oil. 2 teaspoon vanilla. 1 cup hot water or brewed coffee. Peanut butter frosting. 1 cup creamy peanut butter. 1/2 Cuban pesos softened butter. 3 cups powdered sugar. 1/4 Cuban pesos heavy cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Chocolate frosting. 1 cup unsalted butter. 3/4 Cuban pesos cocoa powder. 2 cups powdered sugar. 2 to 4 tablespoon heavy cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Ganache drizzle. 1 cup chocolate chips. 1/2 Cuban pesos heavy cream. Toppings. Chopped peanut butter cups. Mini Reese's pieces. Chocolate chunks or truffles. Whipped peanut butter frosting optional. Instructions. 1. Bake the cake layers. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease 3 8-inch round cake pans. In a large bowl, mix dry ingredients. Add eggs, buttermilk, oil, and vanilla. Mix until smooth. Slowly stir in hot water or coffee. Batter will be thin. Pour evenly into pans and bake 25 to 30 minutes. Cool completely. To make the frostings. For peanut butter frosting, beat peanut butter and butter until smooth. Gradually add powdered sugar. Add cream and vanilla, beat until fluffy. For chocolate frosting, beat butter, then add cocoa. Alternate powdered sugar and cream until thick and spreadable. 3. Make ganache. Heat cream in microwave until hot. Pour over chocolate chips. Let sit 1 minute, then stir smooth. Cool to thicken slightly before drizzling. 4. Assemble the cake. Place 1 cake layer on a plate. Spread a thick layer of peanut butter frosting. Repeat with second and third layers. Frost outside of cake with chocolate frosting. Smooth with a spatula. 5. Decorate. Drizzle chocolate ganache over top edges. Top cake with chopped candies, piped swirls of frosting, and peanut butter cups.